Today we're moving from the nook we created last week into the heart of Hygge, gathering around the table. Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Oasis Decor. We're in week 2 of our Fall Hygge at Home series, and today we're moving from the nook we created last week into the heart of Hygge, gathering around the table. Now, when I say table, don't worry. I don't mean you need a sprawling farmhouse dining room. Hygge isn't about the size of your table, it's about the connection that happens around it. And that means even the tiniest kitchen table, or folding bistro set, or your multifunctional coffee table can become a stage for really beautiful moments. So how do you make it special? Let me share some cozy ideas. Step 1. Keep it simple. Hygge meals are rarely fussy or fancy. Think hearty soups, fresh bread, or a big pot of pasta in the middle of the table where everyone can serve themselves. The focus is on comfort and sharing, not presentation. Even just a cutting board with cheese, fruit, and crackers feels abundant when you're enjoying it together. Step 2. Make your table flexible. Even in small spaces, multifunctional furniture is your best friend. A folding table that tucks away, a drop leaf that expands when guests come over, or even a coffee table that has different heights. All of those can transform into a place for meals and games. Add a couple of nesting stools or a storage ottoman, and suddenly you've got extra seating too. Step 3. Layer in atmosphere. Lighting sets the tone. A couple of candles, a small lamp nearby, or even string lights above can make a tiny table feel intimate and warm. You don't need much, just a soft glow that says, "You belong here." Step 4. Add cozy touches. This could be as simple as cloth napkins, a little vase with greenery, or a wooden tray for serving. Hygge thrives in the details, but remember, it's about enjoyment, not perfection. A mismatched set of mugs can feel just as cozy as a styled tablescape. Step 5. Think beyond meals. Hygge gatherings often spill over into games, storytelling, or just lingering with dessert and coffee. Keep a basket nearby with a few favorite card or board games, or store them in a multifunctional cabinet so they're easy to grab. That way, your table naturally becomes a hub for connection. And here's something I love about Hygge tables. They remind us that togetherness doesn't need a lot of space. Some of my favorite memories come from being crowded around a small table, laughing until our sides hurt, with bowls of soup and mugs of cocoa in front of us. It's the kind of coziness that you can't buy, but you can set the stage for it in your own home. So this week, I'd encourage you to plan one simple gathering. Invite a friend over for soup, start a family game night tradition, or even just set the table a little extra special for yourself. Because Hygge isn't only about who's at the table, it's about savoring the moment. The space-saving tables, lighting, and cabinets that I've shown today are all linked in the description to help you make the most of your small space gatherings. And don't forget to sign up for our weekly newsletter. Next week, we're going to shift from those shared moments to those little everyday rituals that make life feel cozy and grounding. I'll share ideas for creating Hygge in your daily routines, whether that's your morning coffee, your evening wind down, or the small pause in between. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep cozy and keep gathering joy around your table, no matter how big or small it is. Bye-bye.